Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law and probate attorney in New York. Today's topic, the conflict between two different areas of law and the conflict between adult children and their step-parents. Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. So this week I spoke with an adult. For this story, it's going to be a daughter. I spoke with an adult daughter that had an issue with her stepmother. And the father is presenting with Alzheimer's disease. And the stepmother and the father had, I guess at some point, their relationship had soured. The stepmother had left the home. The adult daughter was caretaker for the father and, just really his daughter and help pay the bills and pay his rent and, assist with grocery shopping and some household tasks. At some point, the last few months, the stepmother moved back in. Now, really, through all of the personal conflict, and I'm listening on the phone, and things that a prospective client wants to tell you aren't always the things that are actionable. So maybe some conflicts that they might have had 3 years ago, and how they paid bills a couple of years ago, and how they cared for the father in terms of going to doctors and who pays the medical bills, and all of these things were hitting me. And I really had to listen closely for what the actual issue to be resolved presently is. Now, really what it came down to is that the stepmother moved back into the apartment to secure her rights in the apartment because it's rent stabilized. A rent stabilized apartment is, or can have a very favorable rent, right? So rents go up slowly, and the current rent could be, an apartment in Queens could be $2,200 or $1,800 or $2,000, and a rent stabilized apartment might be $1,000 or $1,200, just because it goes up slowly. So the stepmother moved back into the apartment to really secure her own interest in the apartment. So the rights of the daughter to safeguard and be a caretaker for her father butt up against and conflict with the rights of the stepmother to the apartment. So if you have an actionable issue, if you'd like me to address any of your current circumstances, please reach out to me, Frank at Frank Bruno Law. Thank you.